What up? Coming to you live from a car meet in Manhattan. Do you guys see that plate frame right there? Shout out to the homie Tony. Let's walk around and check out some cars. I'm with Rodrigo in June. Check out this Honda Activa here. First of all, it's red, which is pretty sick. Deep dish wheels. Black bed. Easily one of the coolest Honda Fits in existence. If the tints weren't so dark, I would show you the interior, which is completely gutted. Then we got Carlos's 11. We actually saw this car in Japan, which is pretty cool. Damn, what's this, a Celica? Ooh, white plate too. Nice color. We got Emilio Servo, shout out to the exhaust. We got a Ferio. We got a Mercury, Sable. Accord wagon. We got a Corolla. Subaru. We got Mendy Imports. Another right-hand drive Civic. Damn, whose Acti is this? Actually, no, I saw that at 7th Day, I think. And then we got the clean GS.
Well, that's what we're trying to do. It might be partially.
The Honda fanboy in me is definitely coming out with this one. Love the color, love the Mugen wheels, love the mirrors, love the lip, parking pole. Mag factory fenders, spoiler, roof spoiler. We got Rob's Topo. This car is actually for sale. More info on this coming soon. First time seeing it with the decal and gold rims and everything. It's automatic. I was thinking about getting it, but damn, those tints are dark. But then we got Project Acti. I got to give you guys an update on this car. Last you saw it, we did an exhaust and some other little things, but since then, let's see if this is open. No, it's not open. Shout out to Dadbot Garage. We put the whole thing together. Sound deadening, sub, radio. I'll get the keys at some point. Then we got a Honda Z. Yeah, the thing is sick. What's this, a Gloria? Or Cedric, I think. Oh no, it says Gloria right there. Wow.
I can tell you're picky like me. I already know.
Then we got this.
I know, bro. I look at cars all the time.
Then we have NY's Finest. I'll keep my opinions on these people to myself. Then we got Type R. Gotta love this. We got some of the heavy hitters at the end. Nice Evo. Damn, look at the white on white rims, both of them. Oh yeah, they're flexing. Let me take a couple of steps back so you can really see this beaut right here. Both of them. Comment below. You taking the Evo or the Type R? I think that's a tough choice for a lot of people. Carbon fiber lip too. But in my opinion, I'm taking this. 4-door, 4G63. I'm a DSM guy, so I love that. Then we got a CX-30 next. Where's this dude at actually? Because I sold him my roll bar that's back there. But shout out this Honda Beat. Another clean white vehicle. I'm loving this Civic. This is like as OEM plus as it gets. I think this is a little too long for my liking, but I love the color. What's good, bro? Love the rims. Love the plate. And then it looks like Rodrigo over here is slinging plates. Look at them, staying busy. What car do you think I'm looking at? Or what brand even do you think I'm looking at? Would you have guessed this? BRZ? Wide body BRZ? This is actually sick. Single exit in the back. There's a couple bangers that pulled up over here too. Here's that Jimny, if you guys remember, with the Greddy intercooler. Hey, got a K plate on there. I think he added this too. I don't know if I had that before. Ooh, I think he added this too. I also don't think that was there last time. But look at this Starlet right here. This is top 5 for me. It's like a gray, but then with brown. No tint, fishballing. Love that. Miata. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I'm not going to say much because I'm not a Fed, but... And it's left-hand drive. Oh, wait, am I just mistaken on what I'm looking at right now? Is this not a Suzuki Swift that is, like, from Japan and not import legal? Or maybe I'm just wrong. It's left-hand drive, though. What plate is that? That's not even... I don't even know. I'm not going to say too much, actually. What is what it is. Do what you do, bro. I'm just trying to get like you. But check out this thing. Wow, it has a tow hitch. Workmeisters. That by far is the coolest part of this car. Sound deadening all around. Power windows. Power locks. Sub under the seat. Smells great in here too. Fog lights. H4 LEDs. Here I am thinking I'm cool in my mirror. Look at this. Lock, unlock. This is for the windows. Power windows. I feel like I didn't even look at this Pulsar. RPF ones. Shout out to the cold side on the Acti. Topo flexing. And then Honda Z super flexing with the roof lights. I gotta do that to my Terios, man. I gotta sell the midget. Like, the midget has to be gone ASAP, or the step wagon. Maybe giveaway coming soon. Because I genuinely enjoy the Terios. And I want to do stuff like this with it. Like, I want to go off-roading. I want to throw tires like that on there. So I got to stop slacking. I just realized side exit.
No, I mean, it's just for the ignition. I put the MSD in.
Oh, okay, you put the MSD in.
So I put the MSD and the optical time in.
Okay.
And then I upgraded all other stuff and rebuilt the carbs.
Yeah.
But didn't touch the engine. And the only thing I really did with the carbs was, change the jets and rebuild them.
Do you have filters on the trumpets or no?
No, I need to get some. Yeah, I really need to get, I got to.
Or like the socks that they have.
Yeah, sure. Now, a big thing I need to do right now is I need to. I already cleaned the fuel tank once, but I didn't seal it.
Oh.
Some sealant.
I feel like I'm not even reading the comments yet, but I'm gonna say most people are gonna say this is the coolest car that's here.
Japanese export quality.
Found some more cool attention to detail. Damn, look at this dude. Why is his hood open? Like, come on, guys. This is why we love K cars, because their owners do cool stuff like this. The PS1? I'm not even sure what game's it. What game is this? What game is inside? Oh, Need for Speed. Wow, we gotta let this load. Oh no, it's Test Drive 6. Still pretty cool. Definitely gauge.